Here's the problem with every renewal calendar you have ever tried. It tells you when something expires, and by then it's already too late. A passport is a 9-month job. An insurance renewal is worth nothing on the day it lands. This one records 2 dates instead of 1. 7 print-ready PDFs, 84 pages, plus A4 editions of the 3 you actually feed through a printer. 1 undated wall chart, 11 lead time cards, 12 fill-in cards, a 57 deadline reference, a private booklet for the drawer, and a worked example. The chart is the artifact. 1 landscape sheet, 12-month panels, and each panel split in 2. The top half is what expires this month. The bottom half, marked with an arrow, is what you have to start this month. The 6 lead times are printed along the foot, so you can fill the whole sheet in without looking anything up. That second entry is the entire product. On the filled example, February expires 3 things, and 4 completely different ones have to start there. That is the sentence a household calendar exists to produce, and it is the one a reminder app has never once said to anybody. Counting backward is where people slip, so the pack does it for you. The backward planning reckoner has 12 expiry months down the side, 6 lead times across the top, and the month to start printed in every single cell. Find the row, run across, write the month down. Every start month that lands in the previous calendar year is marked, because that is the one everybody gets wrong. Behind that sit 8 category cards: documents, vehicle, insurance, home and safety, health and pets, money and tax, work and licenses, and school and camp, every deadline in each one, with the cycle it runs on and how far ahead to begin. Now, a filled reference chart is an inventory of your household's documents, and on a wall it is read by every visitor and every photograph taken in that room. So the chart and 10 of the 12 fill-in cards ask for 4 things only: what it is, whose it is, when it expires, when to start. Everything else lives in a separate booklet for a locked drawer, and that split is not a line in the instructions. When these files are built, the build reads the text of every wall-facing page and fails if a private field ever appears on one. It is a check on the file, not a promise about it. 18 of the 57 are marked as worth shopping rather than letting roll, and the re-quote card arrives pre-printed with all of them. Room for the renewal quote, the best quote you found, and what you decided. Done in the month the chart tells you, not the week the notice lands. The reference explains why each lid time is what it is, and what missing it actually costs, not a checklist. A processing queue, an appointment book, a repair the test will find, a course that has to finish before the license can renew. And for every one of them, where to check the real number for your own state and provider. There is a worked example too, for a clearly invented household. 31 deadlines written in, 21 crossed out, and every start month on it computed rather than typed. So what you're looking at is the engine running rather than a picture of it. A reminder fires once while you are doing something else and trains you to swipe it away. A sheet on a wall needs no battery, no signal, no login, and no live subscription. And everyone in the house can read it without being added to an account. The Household Renewals and Expiry Wall Calendar from Ardent Workshop. Instant download, US letter, and A4. Undated so it never expires, and yours to keep and reprint. Links are below, and 1 card of it is free and ungated if you would rather try it first.